In this video, we will show you how to add a border in Google Document or Google Docs. First, let's create a blank documents in here. To create a border in Google Documents, just you can using insert table, using one table like this, and then you can click in the arrow here and select your table, for example. Then you can select the table width, and you can also change the border you want. After you enter the table like this, it will auto add on the second and the third page, so you don't be worried the table is cut in here. Okay, and once again you can select the style by clicking this and choosing your table. And for example, let's change to another color, and in here I select the size and also for the style of the table, for example like this. And you can choose big setup if you want to decrease the margin size, for example in here. Now your table will look like this. And if you need also, you can change the background, for example something like this. And that's all tutorial how to create a border in Google Document or Google Docs. Hope this video helpful for you.